find camel meat here. This has been cooked on a stone. So many people are here, dears. Everyone are having some delicious food from here. Halim is a popular dish in India, Middle East and Central Asia. Dear friends, welcome to Anjodey Vlogs. We are in Mosque Road, Fraser Town, right in front of the mosque to enjoy the iftar meal. Today being a weekend, it is too much crowded. We came with our family. Chinju is here, Appu is here, Amma is here. All are like shocked looking at the crowd because it's a Saturday. You can imagine how the Fraser Town will look like. And this is how it is looking right now. During the month of Ramzan, our Muslim friends break their fasting after the sunset, and that is what is iftar. For any festival, the basic message which is conveyed across is about happiness, peace, love and unity. Same is with Ramzan also. So let us get indulged in this festival, go have the iftar party. You can see a lot of people here. They have come from different places just to try out the delicious food which are being served in different stalls here. Now let us go into some stall and see what we can try it. We are here in a stall to try out something. Let me see what we can get here. You can find mutton, chicken, beef, rabbit, duck, pattar ka ghost, which is very famous here, emu roast, sheikh kebab, etc. First itself we got the famous dish here, which is pattar ghost. This has been cooked on a stone. This is a popular dish from Telangana, Hyderabad. This is made up of lamb. These are mutton. So now let's try it out. You can see chicken varieties, prawns, grills, etc. And this is how the pattar ghost has been made on this stall. Now let us walk forward and see what else you can find. There are a lot of desserts also available here. Some sweets are there. Dahi tukda is there. Rasmalai is there. Rasmalai. You can find some rolls there. Those were some special rolls it seems. So if you're a roll lover, you can definitely give it a try. Now let's go forward and see. Here you can find lot of dishes, dears. There are chicken items, mutton, beef. You can even find camel meat here. One plate. Pepper chicken. Pepper chicken. So we got the sevai and chicken. We call it idiyappam or noolappam in Kerala. So this is what we got from here. Very tasty. Super. It is a bit difficult with family because with kids and all it might be very difficult because you don't get a proper seating. Otherwise you have to go inside the restaurant and then try it out. So time to get some lime soda for my mom. You can find different flavors of lime soda. Pineapple, blackcurrant, mango, orange. So we are getting 2 lychee for us, 1 mango and 1 plain lime soda. So here you can find lot of stalls having seafood, but they are still getting ready, so we have to wait for some half an hour. So many people are here, dears. Everyone are having some delicious food from here. So we are also trying to find what next to have. Full of lights and people all around. It is really fun. This is the beauty of any celebration. People are united and having fun together. Definitely the real happiness of life is having food only. So here people are, their family, having food, having great time. One important thing is that it is really difficult to park your vehicle here. So better come around 6 or before 6 and try try to find a better parking slot. So we are just walking around to see which is our next spot to try out.
छोटा वाला 100, बड़ा वाला 150.
हाँ, okay.
ये 300 250.
ओके. प्रॉन्स है क्या?
हाँ मैडम, थोड़ा
टाइम लगेगा. ओके. Here you can find samosa and some kebab. There are some grilled chicken also getting grilled cheek kebab. If you find it really difficult to walk around with your family, you can even go inside the restaurant and have a great time there as well. Even if you come after Ramzan also, you can find good food here because there are a lot of amazing restaurants in Fraser Town. People have come by horse also to enjoy iftar. Come dears, let's try some tandoori chicken or some other spicy grilled items from here. Not only prawns, you can find many things here. Here you can see the mutton chapli kebab. Our delicious prawns is here. It looks yum. Super. Yum. Kids will also be happy. There are a lot of balloons here. Appu's also got one balloon. He only snatched it actually from the sales. Small girl. Another plate of beef fry. Nice. A bit chewy. It could have been cooked more, but taste-wise it is good. You can find a lot of sweets also here. We are going to order halim. Here we got the famous halim. Halim is a popular dish in India, Middle East and Central Asia. This is how it looks like. It is made by slow cooking of mutton, grains, spices, etc. for hours, and then we get this consistency. This is very healthy. Once you get used to this only, you will like it. Initially I'm not sure if you will like it, but we have tried many times. Now we like it a lot. After all the hangama in street, because everyone are there, no, we couldn't really have a proper food, so we came into Empire restaurant. We ordered few things. It is yet to arrive. So Chinju's shawarma is here. Chinju is all set to rock. Not even chilli she is going to leave. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I am on diet.
Okay. She is on diet. See. So this is the coin parota. This is butter chicken and chicken biryani. So we are going to start the war. After a great meal from Empire, we are here with some dessert, caramel pudding. Now it's 9 o'clock and look at the crowd. I think until midnight this will be open and people keep coming. So it's really fun during Ramzan time to come here. Better to come around 6 o'clock like what we did, so that you can leave by 9. But if you are coming with your friends and all, okay, fine. You can spend a lot of time here. Even if late night, no issues. You can definitely have fun here, eating. Yes, it is time to end up our eating episode for today. This is Irani Chai, the right thing to end up with. Definitely we couldn't cover all the stalls here, but as much as possible we definitely tried to cover. And this is the biggest iftar party in Bangalore. There are many other locations also where you can find similar iftar parties like Kormangla, Jaydeva Circle, etc. Eid Mubarak wishes to all my dear ones from Anjudev Vlog. Time for us to go back to our home. So we are winding up for today. This vlog. Keep supporting me, Anjudev Vlogs. Shower all your love and blessings on me. We'll be back with another exciting vlog. Until then, see you soon. Bye.